In this video, I'll show you how to install Peacock on Amazon Fire Stick. Step 1. Open the Fire Stick home screen. Turn on your Fire Stick and ensure it's connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen using your remote. Step 2. Search for Peacock. Use the search bar and type Peacock. Select the Peacock app from the search results. Step 3. Download and install the app. Click on Download or Get to begin installing the app. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take some time. Step 4. Log into your Peacock account. Open the app and enter your Peacock login credentials. Start browsing and streaming your favorite content. And now your Peacock on Fire Stick is ready. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. And now I ask you to subscribe to my channel.